In this meditation, we will practice sitting with our breath. This practice can be used anytime, whether you want to take a break, refocus, reset your day, or simply ground yourself in the here and now. Please take a moment to find a comfortable position. If you're sitting, keep your back tall but relaxed. I'll invite you to gently close your eyes or rest your gaze on a spot on the floor in front of you, noticing the ground as it provides support beneath you. Taking a couple deep breaths and settling into the natural rhythm of your breathing. Noticing now where you feel your breath most strongly. It may be at your nose, your throat, your chest, belly, or perhaps externally. You may be noticing how your clothes feel against your body as you breathe. Simply following the natural rhythm of your breath. Just breathing in and breathing out. There is no need to try to push away or control anything. Simply directing the mind towards the present moment and our breath. Breathing in and breathing out. There's no need to count or visualize your breath. Just directing your attention on the breath without judgment. I'll ask you to simply follow the natural rhythm of your breath. Just noticing. Breathing in and breathing out. From time to time, you may notice your mind wanders from your breath. That's okay. I'll ask you to gently bring your attention back to your breath. Breathing normally and naturally, without changing the breath in any way. Just noticing and being aware of your breath as it comes and goes, allowing it to fall into its own unique and natural rhythm. Breathing in and breathing out. Just staying with each moment without struggling or forcing it. This practice is a time to rest from the constant activity of the mind. There's nowhere you have to be, nothing you have to do, but being here and now with your breathing. Breathing in and breathing out. You may continue to follow the natural rhythm of your breath. Just breathing in and breathing out. Thank yourself for taking the time today for this practice. Take a moment to notice how you feel right now before re-entering your day, and know that you can always return to this practice at any time.